No human touched this portfolio today. The bot made $74.39. Let me show you why. 0 trades today. The no-trade band kept it from churning on noise. That 1.7% move is a bit larger than the bot's typical day, which swings about 1.4% on average, notable, but nothing extreme. Zooming out, the account sits at $4,371.95, up $871.95, that's plus 24.9% since the experiment started. Every trade is decided by a genetic algorithm-optimized strategy. No gut feelings allowed. Here's the scorecard so far. Across 29 tracked days the bot has been green 39% of the time. Its best day gained 1.8%, its worst lost 6.4%, and right now the account is 9.9% below its peak of $4,852.76. Inside the book, 32% sits in a diversified ETF sleeve, the rest is the stock-picking engine, running at 85% invested. Top holdings are on screen. At 85% invested it's running a balanced, middle-of-the-road posture. Remember, the strategy can't predict the future, it just sizes its bets to survive being wrong. If you're wondering where the strategy came from, it wasn't hand-tuned. A genetic algorithm bred thousands of rule combinations across years of market history, keeping the survivors and discarding the rest, then tested the winner on data it had never seen, so it can't just be memorizing the past. Tomorrow the algorithm does it again. Subscribe to follow the experiment, one trading day at a time.